nerdy with it, but then it would have only just been that. I don't know. I don't mind it.
All right, let's do this.
I don't mind if they stayed. I don't mind if they got
9,
GA'd.
10.
Microphone activated.
Yo, these comms in the chat are
I
hilarious.
get money. All right, come on.
The enemy will come for the objective.
You guys saw what that kid said? I can never play in peace.
We'll make a nice light 3-0 for him.
Let me know if someone's top 3, guys.
Got him. I got him top 3.
On A, one shot.
Oh, be cut. Be cut. He's going on bottom green.
On A, one bullet. Well, I'm dead, bro.
Naded on A.
All right, under you. Right. Who the fuck is top third?
Me.
Holy fuck, pinch the
There's
point.
one shot,
I
bro.
am right now. There you go. He's fucking dickwad.
Like, damn. Baiting me over there.
Oh, good. He's learning, bro.
Fucking T-Rex.
Bottom right, right. Licking fucking walls. B5.
1 minute remaining.
Oh, he's out.
Already out.
They also spawn market. I think they also spawn market or junk.
I think I'm blind.
Taking
I'm
B.
junk right now.
Wait, I'm not blind.
He has 1 junk, 2 junk, 2 junk.
Fuck. I don't know.
Low, dead. Low, jump. Wait, last 2 low left.
One high.
One's already in a ticket.
Heard you. Pinching him.
Face on, okay? Take that aggression.
Like that.
Take it to him.
They're taking A.
Oh, back alley B.
They're on
BA,
outside, bro.
BA. Shots. I'm nading A.
They're taking B.
Fuck. Missed.
We're down to our last objective. We lost A.
Oh, wait, they actually got a cap? Holy shit.
Good cuts down. Fuck. Just killed me. Top right.
The enemy is low on reinforcements.
Oh. There we go.
I'm just holding junk, guys. There's nothing here.
Oh, they're about to push. They went around. They were scared.
Top right.
Jumped out.
I got him. I got him. Dead. One party went around our base. Or you like
Top
mid.
AC, top AC right now. Top AC right now, dead.
Good
Dead.
shots right there.
That was one of you that just shot me. Nope. I don't know where he is.
Top plat. Top plat.
Plot again?
Oh, no, you kill him.
Okay.
I need some food in my system.
Chick-fil-A.
Push right weak.
I know, I haven't ordered
I
it
think we
yet.
just, yeah, you follow the theme of the squad. Good Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, I think I'll play way better. That's a buff, right?
Guaranteed.
Play spawning coop.
Where's you guys at, man?
How do we spawning coop? What does this guy want? He wants to come stream? Fuck off.
Yo, one's playing hop up.
Reinforcements are done.
Wow, I got peace. Good trade.
Be advised.
Microphone muted.
Why stock over grip? I don't know. My chat told me to use the stock and it's kind of beaming. It's kind of insane right now.
What you doing up there, bro?
I like that.
Just ironing.
Nice.
The fucker's just ironing.
Or precision shot when hurts on mobility.
fuck.
But that's why you put DR6 on to counter mobility so you don't lose that much.
Switching sides. Control.
Hopefully we get S&D so I can dog these fucking sandwiches.
Dude, I'm so
What did you
down
get?
for an S&D
I
right
got
now.
to. I usually do this strat. I was telling my chat. I usually do a sandwich with like strips and obviously fries, but I chalk the strips for another sandwich.
Wait, you know there's spicy strips in Canada?
There's spicy strips now? No,
Yeah, in
that's gotta
Canada.
be new. Oh,
Wait,
okay.
Canada.
what?
Only in Canada.
Spicy
top
strips
three,
would be
guys.
crazy.
Capturing A.
Those gotta be going ham.
They actually are insane.
Oh my god.
Capturing B.
Shoot me, bitch.
Capturing B.
They're all alley hop. I'm not even trolling.
No, one child me on top 3. This kid's so weird. Just give him
Right
A
there.
at that point.
Right there.
Weirdo, bro.
One
Oh, you
shot
know.
down.
Yeah, yeah. Nice and light.
Capturing B.
Up the ladder.
I think they chalked alley. They're all gonna be.
They're all there, bro.
Top and
all
shops.
Oh, bro, top red balcony. All you have to worry about.
Yo,
Oh,
one's,
red bow.
going red right now.
Fuck.
One's going top red right now, dude. I'm so bad, bro.
Had to go trow.
Oh my god, bro. This update really
mid,
cooked me, bro.
The servers have been messing up since the update. I swear to God.
I feel like it actually got significantly worse overnight. I was already bad.
Top AC, top AC.
Watch out, watch out.
Is he dead?
The enemy is running.
What's top red?
What's my next 24 hour? I don't know, but we got another 24 hours somewhere. It's probably gonna be in the off season,
Bottom
honestly.
red.
I don't think we're gonna have a big break between major 3 and 4. So
What? What
if
is
we
he
did,
doing?
I actually might be down to run it
On the
again.
minimap did it say he was on the same level as me?
24 hour wasn't that hard. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, I'm rage streaking.
I might just be.
What's the ticket? Other guy's top lot.
Friendly cruise missile.
Yo, say top AC.
Like front window ticket.
Top window. Gotta be top.
Capturing B.
5.
Capturing B.
5 arches.
Alright, Simon.
Yeah. That's
Ground secure.
Microphone
Oh,
activated.
Yes, sir.
I might have a Zuma game.
No way, not Tommy.
Microphone muted.
2
How-
kills, bro.
How
This
many
is actually
hours
bad.
do you
Yeah, you
sleep
must be
after the
lying.
24 hour?
Well, let's give him post.
On
Fuck
BS,
that,
Song Crust, alright. On that bullshit.
It's over, bro.
On that bullshit. On that bullshit.
I know exactly.
Need a
Like,
haircut, bro.
Real that
no,
bullshit.
he needs.
I
He
need the
needs,
case-
he needs
I
a
need the
pace
case
change.
on haircut.
He needs to understand like when he's working like you're working against like the you gotta work against other.
Blow code right there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
I got significant.
Always the first one to hit the nade, and then people just rob my kill.
no way. B cut.
Microphone
Oh, B
activated.
cut. They're pushing.
Well found. You reach out in 3, 2.
Dead.
Wow, a
I'm
beast.
streaking. Low streak. Yeah, one top 3, one mid alley.
Top 3
One mid.
going green.
Double AC.
Dead and green, dead and green.
And then I think 1/3, or I don't even know. Couldn't even tell.
Where are they?
Look who.
Right, running
What's
up
up?
mid.
Oh, one's top red, guys.
Finding dirt.
Oh, he's just camping up there. It's typical.
One spawn.
30 seconds left.
No ammo. Jesus Christ.
One right, one more right arm. 3B for you.
One's going to B right now. One's going to B
Lay
right
up,
now.
lay up.
Microphone muted.
No, we're gonna do a dance emote. Don't start the chat. No, the chat's chill right now. The usual suspects for roasting me aren't here. There's a lot of streams live right now, so we got the chill lurkers right now. We're on a chill lurk vibe in the chat. Wait, what?
Like this kid, they're not gonna be here. Go, 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 go. Run right down mid.
No, dude, he's fucking low poop.
Top right, top right, top right.
Activated.
They're taking A.
It just
fucking
ain't.
nade on
It just ain't. Yep.
What?
Yep.
Yeah, he did not.
Following you
He
up.
didn't.
Following you up.
Now you have a throw.
Oh, it was Trove. Yeah, I needed him.
Seconds.
On that. Oh
can
shit.
top
One
it.
bridge.
Good cut.
Mid cut now.
Fuck it,
I'm
I'll
going
run
their
him.
side on the ladder.
Yo,
Nice.
yo, you know what, bro? I might have to retire.
Wait,
Put him
Wait,
He
down.
was on the point. Am I tweaking?
wait. What? This game is horrible.
Wait, he was on the point, right?
I'm literally looking at him. He never got off it.
Game just ended.
What?
What the fuck?
This game is horrible.
Holy fuck, I'm actually terrible. Oh my god, bro. Yo, I'm gonna go outside and take a quick walk while you started, bro.
All right.
You need like what? Like 30 seconds?
Get a breather. Get a breather.
Yeah, just start in 30 seconds, bro. I'm literally, this is bad,
Give the
bro.
guy some